Hello, folks. Greg Sheldon here. Some of you know me, some of you don't. But I'm an evangelist, an ambassador, a believer in the metal, steel, manufacturing, welding, fabrication industry in North America. I believe in it because I've been a part of it all my life, and I see the value of making things in the United States and Canada. So that's why I care. And in consulting that I do with clients, it's always important, let me back up a little bit. There's some drawbacks also in the industry. There's some problems. There's some things happening that we wish weren't happening, but they are, and that's the reality. And the reality is that it's a super saturated market of metals, steel manufacturing businesses. So what does that mean? That means we all have to be unique. We have to do something that nobody else does to get people's attention and create network effects. How do we do that? Well, I can go into depth about that and give many examples. I'll give you quick companies I give examples of: Harley Davidson, Domino's Pizza, Starbucks Coffee, that Apple. There's countless companies that have been unique, and despite what you may think, we don't need the large budgets that they have to make these things happen. It's a mindset. A lot of startups start with that mindset. So I busted that myth. But to stay true to what I'm advising other people to do, I have to do the same thing to have the integrity that I coach on and advise on. So I'm asking you, I'm looking to you, my network, you, about what is that thing? What is that thing you need in your business that you wish some consultant would come along and solve for you? If I had a magic wand, what would be that thing that you need help with the most? So to add to that, I also know that businesses are getting squeezed. Small to mid-size and some large are getting squeezed because the cost of things is going up significantly. So this is a time we really need to figure these things out in our small businesses especially, because they employ so many people and provide so much to the GDP of the two countries I mentioned. So my offer here today is quite simple. I will find $100,000 in your business in 45 minutes or less. Give me that time. I'll give it to you. That information for free, absolutely free. And you'll have some valuable takeaways, like the explanation of how you develop a market dominating position, which is going to make you unique and stand out. Ones that are as good as Harley Davidson, Starbucks, Apple, all these companies that I mentioned. We can develop that for you. But the ideas are the easy part. It's the hard work. That's the hard part. So we could talk about that in depth when we get there. But why am I doing this? Because I care about you, and I see a bright future for our North American economy in our industries, and that's it. It's that simple. If you don't know, I do a podcast on the industry. It's clear that I care. I do many other things in the industry. I'm always looking and networking, looking for things that are unique that can help people like you and your business be unique. And I've got a few up my sleeve, and it's fun for me networking, connecting with people and seeing what they're doing. And, I like to take those things and offer them to other people. So, and it's all because I care. So that's where that's the passion. That's the passion talking, right? I wouldn't be anywhere without that. So I also want you to know that if you do respond to this, comment below or follow the link, whatever I've provided. I'm not going to spam you. I'm not going to send you a bunch of crap. There's not going to be a million follow-up calls because I'm in the business of creating relationships and sustainable business practices, not selling lists or annoying the hell out of you so much that we don't ever talk again. I'm very respectful of your time, and you connect with anybody that knows me, and they will tell you that same thing. So, sustainability with me, and $100,000 in 45 minutes or less from a guy from the industry that's been hands-on in the industry, in management, and now sharing the information of me and a lot of people that are wiser and smarter than me. So, hope that helps. Reach out, follow the link, and I'm excited to meet you.